360 by theta, and if theta you get even number, then subtract 1. So 360 by 90, if they are perpendicular to each other, then the angle between them is 90 degrees. So 360 by 90 is 4. So 4 is the even number, so subtract 1. Okay, and then 60 degrees, if they are inclined to 60 degrees,
Ma'am, 5.
yes, right. 360 by 60 is 6. 6 is an even number, so subtract 1. So it will be 5. Okay, like that, you have to find out multiple images. Then kaleidoscope formation. Then refraction. We have seen refraction through lenses, refraction through glass slab, refraction through prism also you have seen, and dispersion you have seen. Okay, dispersion, the light ray passing through refraction through prism. White light is split into 7 colors, which is called as dispersion of light. Then the structure of eye, defects of eye, corrections that you have learned in this chapter. So try solving, you will recall one by one. Try solving these questions. And after immediately after the class, you have to send me the pictures, what you have solved. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, you have to solve these questions. And immediately after the class, you have to show me or send me pictures about today's classwork. What do you mean? What is meant by incident ray?
Ma'am, the ray of light that strikes on the plane mirror.
The ray of light which strikes the plane mirror is called as incident ray. Reflected ray,
Ma'am, the ray of light which reflects on the mirror.
which get reflected, or it is which is bounced back after striking the mirror. The light ray which bounce back after striking the mirror, that is called as reflected ray. Third answer.
Ma'am, 1.
One single incident ray, reflected ray will be single. What do you mean by the term point of incidence?
Ma'am, the point at which the incident ray strikes the mirror is called as point of incidence.
Just write the point of the mirror on which the incident ray strikes the mirror. Which question you have reached?
Ma'am, 8.
With all one marker so slow. What is angle of incidence?
Ma'am, the angle formed by the incident ray with the normal.
Angle formed by the incident ray with the normal is called as angle of incidence. Angle of reflection,
Ma'am, angle formed by the reflected ray with the normal.
angle formed by reflected ray with the normal. If the ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 30 degree, what is the angle of reflection?
Ma'am, 30 degrees.
I'm 60 degrees.
It is 60 degrees. Incident ray incident on plane mirror at an angle of 30 degree. That means it is making angle of 30 degree with the mirror. So
Okay.
here the incident ray strikes the surface making an angle of 30 degree. This angle, they are not told with normal. Then this is normal. The whole angle is 90. So this angle is 60 degree. If this is 60, that means angle of incidence is 60. So angle of reflection will be 60. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Which question you have reached? Patikrit, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, completed.
All 20 questions completed?
Means till 19th.
Ashi,
Yes, ma'am.
how many questions completed?
I am in 15.
15th, why so slow? Have we done 32 questions, 31 questions? Till 30th right now. Any problem, any doubt? Pragya, which question you are solving?
25th.
Chetna, which question you are doing? Chetna? Hamish, are you solving? Hamish, are you there? Amitabh, Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
which question you are doing?
Ma'am, 24th.
24th. Shreyas? Few students are writing exams yet. So when they will come, we will start the next chapter. We are left with two chapters. One is solar system and the air and water pollution. Was the 30th answer? What is the point inside the human eye where the image is not visible?
Ma'am, blind spot.
Blind spot.
Blind spot. Name the phenomena which enables us to see movie in a cinema hall. Persistence of vision. The image stays on the brain for 1/16th second. And if any second image falls less than this time, then the two images will be merged together. Name the eye ailment or eye disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet.
Night blindness.
Night blindness. What is the name of transparent front part of the eye?
Cornea.
Cornea. What is the name of small opening in the iris?
Pupil.
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 Pupil. Which part of the eye gives it the distinctive color?
Pigment.
Which pigment?
Iris.
Iris pigment. Iris pigment. Write the names of main parts of the human eye.
Ma'am, iris, retina, lens, pupil.
Cornea. So outermost is cornea, then iris, then pupil, then lens, then ciliary muscles, then behind retina, and nerve endings. Optic nerves. What happens to the size of pupil of our eye in the dim light? Pupil size will decrease, increase.
Increase.
Increases. So more amount of light will enter. And when it is a bright light,
Decreases.
Decrease.
it decreases, right? True or false? The moon is an illuminated object.
True.
No, then it is illuminated, not luminous. It is illuminated. That is, the light falls on that and it reflects. So therefore, it is illuminated. So the statement is true. Illuminated means it is illuminated. It is made brighter due to reflection, light falling on that, and after reflection. So that's true statement. B, diffuse reflection means the failure of law of reflection of light. So will the law of reflection of light won't work? In diffused
Yes,
reflection, it won't work.
Ma'am, false.
The statement is false. The laws of reflection also takes place in diffuse reflection. Only thing due to difference in surface. Surface is not smooth, it is rough. So due to that, the reflected ray will not be parallel. But all the rays will follow law of reflection. In a kaleidoscope, a pattern seen once can never be seen again.
True.
Why?
False.
Why it is true, why it is false?
Ma'am, because we can see the pattern after we rotate it.
But is that the same pattern we see again? Because the particles are not fixed. Those whatever the glass bangles or any things you are adding, will it be the this one? They all form the same figure again. They are
No, ma'am.
movable particles. Those are not fixed. They are not attached. So, however they form, the same figure cannot be formed. So, the statement is true. Able to understand, Ashi? The particles
ma'am.
what we kept it inside the kaleidoscope, so those are free to move, and by themselves they cannot form the same pattern again. The angle of dash equal to the angle of reflection.
Incidence.
Incidence.
Incidence. A person 1 meter in front of a plane mirror seems to be dash meter away from his image.
2 meter.
2 meter.
It is 2 meter. Person 1 meter in front of the plane mirror. That means the person is from the mirror, it is 1 meter. So from the image, so image is behind the mirror at the same distance. So from image to plane mirror is 1, and plane mirror to object is 1. So totally there are 2 meters. If you touch your dash ear with right hand in front of plane mirror, it will be seen in the mirror that your right ear is touched with
Ma'am, left ear and left hand.
left ear with right hand. Then it seems that the right ear is touched with left hand, right? So first answer is left and the second answer is left. Both are left. The size of the pupil becomes dash when you see in dim light.
Larger.
Larger. Night birds have dash cones than rods in their eyes.
Fewer.
Fewer. Less number of cones. Because at night color is not required, the brightness is required. And brightness is shown by rods, sensed by rods. The image of the object persists on the retina of an eye for about dash second,
1/16.
1 by 16th or 1/16th, 1 by 16th. If the still picture of a moving object are flashed on your eyes at a rate faster than dash pictures per second, the eye perceives the object as moving. Faster than
1/16.
16.
if the time period is 1 by 16, so you in 1 second, how many pictures should move in front of you? 16 pictures, right? It should be more than 16 pictures. If in 1 second 16 pictures, that means every picture will be, time duration for every picture is 1 by 16. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, in a movie, the still pictures in proper sequence are projected on the screen, usually at the rate of dash pictures per second. In movie, the still pictures in proper sequence are projected on the screen using the rate. How many pictures? There's 24 pictures per second. In 1 second, 24 pictures move in front of you. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the first answer? 41st one?
Ma'am, we can't see the objects in the room, but we can see the objects outside.
Can you tell again?
Ma'am, we can't see the objects inside the room as there's no light. And ma'am, we can see objects outside the room as there is a reflection of light.
Okay. So when you are in a dark room, immediately you can't see the object in the room. But when you are can you see objects outside the room? If there is outside, it is light, then we can see. If light is not there, you can't see. What makes things visible to us?
Ma'am, light.
Light, a reflection of light, or the light reflected by the object makes the things or those things. Light reflected from these objects makes those objects visible. Why cannot we see a book which is placed behind the wooden screen?
Because wood is a opaque object, so light can't pass through it.
Yes, right. And in a dark room?
Because there's no light in a dark room.
There is no light in a dark room to reflected by the object. We can see the sun because it is glowing. How are we able to see the moon?
Ma'am, as there's a reflection of light from the sun on the moon.
Yes, the sun's light is reflected by moon, and when the observer gets the reflected light, he can see the moon. Name the two types of reflection of light, and which type of reflection makes us see an object from all directions. Two types of reflection of light are
Ma'am, regular and irregular.
regular and irregular or diffused. Which type of reflection makes us see an object from all directions?
Ma'am, regular.
Regular reflection. One more thing you have to remember, that is in regular reflection, the light rays, more number of light rays will reach the observer and we can see the brightest object in more brighter as compared to diffused light. A wall reflects light and mirror also reflects light. What difference is there in the way they reflect light?
Ma'am, wall reflects light with a diffuse reflection and mirror reflects with regular reflection.
Yes. So image formed by a mirror is more brighter as compared to wall. Wall won't form any image. Mirror only forms image because of a smooth polished texture. Okay, fine. You can leave now. Remaining questions, I will upload it in Google Classroom. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.